everybody, Collier Swecker in Birmingham, Alabama. Hope you're having an awesome day. Wanted to touch base with everybody about home warranties because we're asked about those frequently. Should you as a seller provide one and you as a buyer negotiate to have a home warranty? And a lot of folks' hesitation is that they're dealing with an insurance company. We know that insurance companies sometimes are prone not to paying claims, and my experience with these, both as a real estate agent and broker and also as a former real estate attorney, is that most home warranty companies do pay valid claims. And the benefit is really in the first year for both the buyer and the seller. The seller, it does help when you offer one. It gives peace of mind. Most of the home warranty companies now, if you offer that to buyers, they'll provide some limited coverage for free during the listing period, which is nice, which is a great benefit. I know Old Republic, American Home Shield, and a few others always do that. If you'll agree up front, they'll agree to cover you during the time of listing for free. In other words, you don't owe anything until closing. Where it's really critical, though, is in that first year of ownership. If something's going to happen due to negligence or lack of maintenance from the previous owner, it's probably going to happen in that first year. Otherwise, if it happens beyond the first year, it's probably wear and tear from your use, or just the unit's getting older, it's a year older, and so forth. It limits also the ability for that buyer to have a bad feeling about the seller, that they got ripped off, and that's a reason for sellers to offer it, so that you don't have to hear from that person when that stove stops working 3 months later and they think they're calling you, the buyer's calling you saying, hey, you sold me a lemon, this thing's not working, you knew it. Well, when you have that home warranty, they'll cover it. One thing, that I have had a client recently, bought the house, knew the AC unit was really old, and within 4 or 5 months, the AC unit, almost the entire unit just died all at one time, and they got a brand new unit, coils and all. Thank goodness for the home warranty. They didn't feel like they got a bad deal from the seller, because the seller paid for that home warranty. Going beyond 1 year, it's debatable about whether or not it's a great deal, because I think it's really to provide you coverage during that time frame when you're just buying the house. A lot of times folks might want to upgrade their appliances, but they'll keep the older appliances. It's nice to know that if something goes wrong with those older appliances in year one, that you'll be covered in year one while you save the money after purchasing the home to get those new appliances. So in other words, I guess what I'm trying to say, and I've gone the long route of saying it, home warranties are worth your while, both if you're the seller and if you're the buyer. So in times where the seller won't pay for it, I really think it's a good deal to spend no more. The average cost is right around $500. And if you're getting a pool, that's another time. Make sure you have that coverage. It's not much more. It's about $50 more if you got a pool or you're buying a pool, to have that coverage for year one, because as you know, those pumps and everything else that go along with the pool are very expensive. If you have any questions, comments, give me a email at collier@megaagentrealestate.com. Have an awesome day.